You're welcome back, my superstars, and if you're just joining us, you are welcome. In our last video, we spoke about 10 profitable business ideas for students in the university and college. There were business ideas in which stay-at-home mom, people who are looking for jobs, even guys could do as a side hustle and make good money daily income. Okay, these business ideas were ideas you can start with as low as 50,000 naira, and some you'll just use your phone. All right, so it was too long. We decided to break it into two parts. So this video is a continuation, is a part two of our last video. In our last video, I spoke about the businesses I did as a Nigerian student in the university, and I was able to make over 1 million naira in the university. So if you need links to the video, it's in the description box. I'll also leave it at the end of this video on the screen. So my superstars, go and check it out. Today we'll be talking about the 5 remaining profitable business ideas you can do as a Nigerian student in the university and make money, daily income. So my superstars, let's continue. So next is logo designs. Okay, so we have so many business owners who need logos for their business. All right, so this is where you'll need a mobile phone. You may need an Android phone to use free apps like CapCut to design your logo. You can design these logos for them using CapCut, a free app, and then make your money. All you need to do is inform them that you can make logos, or if you don't know how to, you can go to YouTube. There are lots and lots of videos that will teach you how to do a simple design a logo in 5 minutes, and then you made your money and you are off. Okay, my superstars, you can make like 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira, depending on who you are designing for and the type of design you are making. Okay, so think about it and let me know if in the comment section if it's something you would love to do. Okay, next is video editing. Video editing is one skill that is very profitable, and you know what, my superstars, is not difficult to master how to edit videos. Do you know what? I edit all my videos by myself, and I do it in at least 30 minutes, or if it's very technical, it takes like 1 hour to edit my videos. So this is a skill you can learn and make money, and you can edit videos on the move. While you're moving, you're editing. During short breaks from lectures, you sit down, edit, and then send to whoever it is you're editing from and make your money. So video editing is one very important skill you can get and make money. We have so many business owners who are creating content now. Content is the thing. So many people can create content, but very few people can edit their videos. So if you know these business owners, you can help them edit their videos monthly at a fee. You can tell a business owner, okay, I'll edit videos for you for a month, and then you pay me like 50,000 or 30,000 naira. You strike a deal, okay, so that they'll be sending contents to you monthly, and then you edit for them. All right, the reason I said you should make it monthly is so you can have something bulk at the end of the month when you are paid, okay, and then do something tangible with it. So you can edit video for brands, for businesses, for content creators, and make good money. Okay, so next is print on demand. All right, so if you're in the university, you know that there are times that students wear lots of branded t-shirts for events, for occasions, for SUG week, for election, for if they're going for an event, they wear lots of branded t-shirts. Okay, so that's where you come in. You can go meet the faculty head, the hostel head, or whatever, whoever heads a group of people in the university, you know, and tell them that you can do branded t-shirts for them. And you don't have to do it by yourself. All you have to know is know the cost of branding for a t-shirt. All right, have it at the back of your mind so that whenever they reach out to you that they need branded t-shirts, you can then send designs to them, and then you collect your money, give it to the printer who does the printing, and then you deliver. Okay, so you can just take it there, or a few hours from lectures, go give it to the printer, prints, take another few hours break, go pick it up and deliver. So you don't necessarily have to get involved in the process. All you need to do is to advertise, get people to know that that is what you do, and then you make your money. Next business idea is content creation. My superstars, how can you be a student with lots and lots of friends in the hostels, people all around you, lots of fun things? Is it jokes in class? Is it different people you meet in school, and you are not creating content about it? Why? Why? Tell me. Those are, you have lots and lots of content at your disposal and you're not using it. Okay, you can actually create content for YouTube, different this thing, and make money. Content creation is a great way you can make money. I know so many students who started as students creating content and then grew. They left school, they had lots of followings from school, and they are making it out there. So if you didn't think about creating content about your day in school, your funniest day in school, your funny lecturer, your funny colleagues, fun places to visit in school, okay, the amazing experience you had, or that terrible food you ate, or wonderful place you visited, or that friend, you can be creating content with your colleagues in the hostel. Okay, I watch content about university students, how before they graduated, how they shared gifts among their friends. All those things are amazing things that you do not keep to yourself. You share it with the world and then you make money from it, creating content. So will you be trying it, my superstars? Write it in the comment section. Okay, so the next business idea you can try as a student is braiding. In the hostel, we have so many ladies who use wigs now. You know, wig is the trending thing. Lots of people are on wigs, but before they do, they braid their hair before putting the wig so it lays beautifully. So if you're a student in the hostel, you could learn how to braid simple cornrows, okay, and then make fast money from it. Cornrow takes about 15 minutes to 20 minutes depending on how the texture of the person's hair. If the person has scanty hair, in 15 minutes you're done. If the person has a lot of hair like myself, it may take about 30 minutes and then you're done. Okay, so this is a fast way to make money in the hostel as a student. You can incorporate painting of nails, painting of fixing the big toe, fix big toe and paint it. Okay, fixing of fancy nails. All those things do not take time. In about 30 minutes, you fixed someone's nails and you've made good money from it. Okay, could make 2,000 from fixing nails, make 1,500 from braids. Okay, so do the math. In 1 hour, you made good money from braiding cornrows and fixing the nails. All right, so these are fast ways you can make money. Imagine in a week you've done like 10 people. Remember I said you could fix hair nails for 2,000, braids for 1,500. That's 3,500. So if you've done like 10 people in a week, that's 35,000 naira from just side hustles, quick side hustles. Okay, if you've done more than that, just do the math. So it's a great way you can make money as a student in the hostel without breaking a sweat. Okay, my superstars. Next is drop shipping. Drop shipping is the fastest way most people are making money online. Everyone is online. In the little time you spend online on Facebook and WhatsApp and all those places, you could be drop shipping products. What is drop shipping? You just go to a brand owner, someone who sells something you would love to sell. Know that female things sell a lot in the hostel. Things like wigs, things like bra, pants, things like that. You could go to a business owner who's into sales of those things and ask that you could drop ship for him or her. Okay, so all she'll do is send you pictures and then you display them. You can show it to your friends in the hostel, show it to your friends in the class. Okay, and from time to time post it on your social media platforms. Before you know, people will start ordering. When they give you money to buy from you, you send it to the business owner. You take your own cut, you send the remaining to the business owner, who then delivers the product to the person who has bought. So it's a very simple business model that doesn't involve any capital at all, yet you make money from it. I've done videos on video editing for those who are interested in starting video editing in Nigeria. Please check out the link in the description box. Have you liked this video? If you have not, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate you. You're the best. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.